Hello children, today we are going to start our third chapter that name is Fiber to Fabric. It is quite easy, not complicated. At first, what is fiber? Because all of the chapter is depend on fiber and talking about fiber. Then first question in our mind, what is fiber? Fiber is long, thin thread like strands are called fibers. Okay. There are some types of fiber. Dietary fiber, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. What is dietary fiber? Dietary, that is obtained from plants, from food, as we can say. Spinach, sugarcane, they are not used in fabric formation. Okay. And next one is natural fiber. Natural fiber we obtain from two basically main things. First is plant and second is from animal. From plant we get cotton and jute, and from animal we got yarn from these kind of animals, sheep, goat, rabbit, etc. And next one is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber. What is synthetic? Synthetic means banawati. From we can formate it with add chemicals. Some example of it: nylon, rayon, terylene, acrylic, polyester, etc. Cotton and jute. Cotton and jute is yarn, and same we can say synthetic fiber is also formed yarn. And we make yarn from cotton and jute, and as we make yarn from synthetic fiber, and last is made fiber from yarn. Okay. Then the first topic is on jute. So jute is cultivated during rainy season in Assam, Bihar and West Bengal. Jute needs lots of water. So where do you find lots of rainfall? Most of rainfall you find in Assam, Bihar and West Bengal. What did they do it? From stem to the jute plant, it is immersed with water. Fiber are separated and then you get the jute fiber. I am repeating it again. From stem to the jute plant, it is immersed with water. Okay. Fiber are separated and then you get the jute fiber. Clear? Next is cotton. For cotton we need black soil and warm climate, which is found in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Karnataka. Talking about cotton balls, they picked by hands and ginning. Now question in your mind, what is ginning? What do you mean by the ginning? Removing sheets. Okay. We are talking about ginning. Removing sheets by the ball, just opening the ball is called ginning, and you spin it making cotton yarn from fiber to making fabric. Clear? Now next one is synthetic fiber. What is synthetic fiber? What is? Synthetic fiber are obtained by the chemical process involving two or more substances. Okay. Two or more substances, and some example of it: rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. Now there is some advantages of synthetic fiber and some are disadvantages of synthetic fiber. And they are advantages. If we talk about advantages, they are too cheap, durable, easy to wash, available in variety. Is it wash available in variety of color? मीन्स आपको ये बहुत सस्ते में मिलता है, ड्यूरेबल होता है, इसको जो साफ़ करना होता है बहुत इजी होता है, अवेलेबल इन वैरायटी ऑफ कलर, आपको हर तरह के कलर में ये मिल जाता है. और अगर डिसएडवांटेजेस की हम बात करते हैं, कैचेस फायर, जो सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ होता है इट्स कैचेस फायर, बहुत जल्दी से ये क्या करता है, आग पकड़ लेता है. ओके. मेल्ट्स ऑन हीटिंग, और जब इसमें ये बहुत जल्दी से आग पकड़ लेता है तो ये बहुत जल्दी पिघलना स्टार्ट कर देता है, मेल्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो इट इज़ नॉट एडवाइजेबल इफ़ यू आर कुकिंग और समथिंग, यू शुड नॉट वियरिंग सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ. ओके. Now entire process of silk formation. Now we are talking about silk formation. Silk की बात करेंगे हम. What is silk and how it is formed? First silk moth. Okay. First is silk moth. Silk moth lays eggs. Okay. Eggs hatches into larva or silkworm. Larva or silkworm feed on mulberry leaves and carry out molting. Okay. After molting, what is molting? Molting means shedding of skin. Clear? जो shedding of skin होती है that is called molting. And after this what happen? Cocoon. After this cocoon happen. Now in your mind, what is cocoon? Cocoon, the caterpillar completely covers itself by silk fiber and turn into pupa. Okay, this covering is known as cocoon. Now it's clear to everyone. After this cocoon, it's boiled by farmers. Okay, boiled by farmers, and farmers obtain the fiber. Now farmers obtain the fiber that is called reeling. Okay, reeling spun into thread. Reeling spun into thread. Thread में जब उसको चेंज किया, now the term is dyed. They are dyed. इनको कलर किया जाएगा and after then waved then to fabric. इसके बाद इसको वेव किया जाएगा, वेव के बाद इसको फैब्रिक में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाएगा. इट्स क्लियर टू एवरीवन? आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज वूल. व्हाट इज वूल? इट इज़ क्वाइट ईजी एज सिल्क. फर्स्ट रिमूव द फ्लीस. First you remove the fleece. Fleece means hair. Okay, fleece means hair. It is called shearing. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? shearing कहते हैं. After then you packed it and send it to the factory. Okay. The factory people will clean it. अब क्या होगा कि जो फैक्ट्री के लोग हैं वो इसको क्लीन करेंगे. They will remove all the dust and sort it in the different types. Okay. Then they twist it and convert into a woolen ball. Then the process of it, first is shearing, scouring, sorting, dyeing, and last one is woolen ball. Okay. Now next is sericulture. A rearing of silkworm from commercial purpose is called a sericulture. Now we completed our chapter. I hope you all are understand it very well. Thank you.